Hello, green. Hello, vegetables. Welcome to the veggie list. Broccoli? S. Easy S. Contender for my favorite vegetable for sure. I love broccoli. It's versatile. It's delicious. You can do so much with it. It's yummy if you like pan-sear it. It's yummy if you roast it. It's so good and it's very healthy, easy, yummiest way to get your green vegetables in for me. S tier. Delicious. One of my most eaten vegetables. I don't even mind steamed broccoli. I know, I don't know. I don't really mind it. I know steaming vegetables is one of the worst things you can do to a vegetable for flavor. But I don't even mind a steamed broccoli. Corn. I like corn quite a bit. But I don't know if I like it enough to put it in the A tier or not. Maybe. Yeah, I think I do like it more than everything in the B tier. So I guess it is A tier. Popcorn? Does popcorn count? I don't know. If popcorn counts, then it has to be S tier. But I don't know if popcorn counts. Popcorn is one of the most amazing foods in existence, I think. Corn is really versatile. That's true. Because in America, everything is made of corn. Even your compostable cups are made of corn. Everything is corn. Your house is made of corn. Your friends are made of corn. Your dreams are made of corn. Eggplant. Haha, funny. Eggplant. Eggplant is very hit or miss for me. Sometimes I actually hate it. I can't even eat it because it's mushy and bad. But sometimes it's really yummy. Baba ganoush is delicious. And it can be really good also in stir fries or certain dishes. Oh, I like an eggplant parmesan. I love an eggplant parmesan. But I don't know. Sometimes it's F tier. But sometimes it's A tier, so I don't know where to put it. It's very hit or miss. Should we just put it in C tier? Middle ground. It can be very good and it can be very bad for me. Anyway, okay, I think that is it for today. Here's my vegetable tier list. Remember, it is my tier list. You are free to disagree. In fact, I encourage you to disagree because everyone has different taste buds. Except, don't forget that I am Mother Nature, so this tier list is the official tier list. And all other opinions are wrong, but it's okay to have a wrong opinion. Just kidding.